Hello, Natalie. Thank you for sharing your video with us today. I enjoyed seeing your video. I wanted to mention to you, as I am to your classmates, that one of the key ways a speaker has, especially in working in a technologically dominated environment, one of his key skills is to work with the camera lens. It's about our only way to really connect with our viewer. And we do that connecting by looking and talking to the camera lens directly. I'm trying to model that for you now as I make this little video. I am looking directly at my camera lens, my webcam lens, and I'm talking to you as though you were standing there. And I suggest that you practice doing that too. Don't be discouraged if it feels very artificial. It feels artificial because it is artificial. And that's simply something we have to adapt to and adjust to. But it is a key skill and very important. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Thank you for sharing your video. I will see you in milestone 2. Good job.